Let me create a paragraph in this web page. I'll use a p element to create the paragraph, and then I'll add some text. Now you can see the paragraph was created. Then I'll create a link using the anchor tag. So I'll type a, then href attribute. I'll put a hash inside the value of href, and then I'll close the tag and then type some text between the a tags like this. Now let's open this HTML document in the browser and see how it renders the page. And you can see the page is shown like this. Now the next thing we need to do is to add the JavaScript code. Now let's create script tag. So I'll use a script element. I'll type script, open and close tags, and in between these script tags I'll add the JQuery code. Now first I'll type $. Now you need to understand here that the dollar means it's JQuery. So whenever you want to use JQuery functions, you need to use the $, and then I type document, then .ready, and make sure the document is in between parentheses. Document.ready, and then open close parentheses. Inside the parentheses I'll type function. Now we need to understand why we use document.ready. Now document.ready means after loading all the content of the web page. So whatever we add in between these curly braces will be executed when the complete web page or the HTML document is loaded. Now this function we create will be executed when the document is ready. So we can add various statements in between these two curly braces and execute those statements when this function is called. Now document.ready function is important in jQuery because it tells the script when to call its main function. In this case you can see the function here, that whatever statements that you put inside the body of the function, which means inside these open and close curly braces, will be executed. In this jQuery script, when we click on the link, we need to do something. So the next thing we need to do is that we need to add the click function of jQuery. So I'll start with the $, again, and then add the anchor tag in between parentheses. Now you need to add these anchor tag in between inverted commas. Now what does it mean by $a? In jQuery, $a means we select the anchor element, that means the link. So by using $a, we select the link, and then we use the click function to that selected link. So when we click on the link, whatever we add in between the click function's curly braces will be executed. So when you click on the link, all the statements that you add in between these two curly braces will be executed. So to test the functionality of this script, I'll add the alert function to the click function. Now I'll add the string hello to the alert function. So when I click on the link, I'm expecting to see the hello string in a small message box. Now let's open the browser and refresh the page, and then I'll click on the link. You can see the hello string on the message box. Now whenever you click on the link, you get the alert message.